Hey everybody, welcome to Kano's Breaks. The temptation couldn't be knocked back any longer. I need to get in and break a box. Or I might even break two today. 2 boxes of Marva Annual. I've been fighting the temptation. Can't fight it anymore. Got the day off work. Let's get into it. Hey? Bang. Posts coming up all over Facebook, all over the internet with people with their awesome breaks. I need some of that right now. Best of luck to us all. Everyone's having a great Friday. Well, that's what it is in Australia anyway, a Friday. Alright, rip open. Let's go. Ooh, one's a bit higher than the other. I'm just going to take all the packs out. Let's go. Let's see some bangers. I'm going to do a 2-box break, so exciting times ahead. Let's go. What's in the first pack? Flip him over. We got Hawkeye. Oh, Venom. First base of Venom they've got. Mary Jane Watson. Valerium. What's behind here? The hit is... Oh, it's a Blue Hercules. 81 out of 199. That is called a Winter Flair. Very cool. Hercules. First pack picks up the numbered card straight out of there. Very cool Winter. Them straight up here. Very nice. Alright. I should shuffle them up, but anyway. I didn't know that the numbered card would be on top of the packs. First pack. Next pack. Let's go. Bring some more, why don't you? Oh, yeah. Winter Soldier. Beyonder. And Power Blast, I think. Oh, Power Blast. That is a cool card. Iron Fist. Wow, come at ya. What number was he? 16. Okay. Cool. Alright. Righto. Next pack. Oh, we have a sleeve card here. A sleeve card. I wonder what it could be. Oh, it's Colossus. Very nice. Hey, bud. Just doing a break. How you going? So we have X-Men Flarium. What is this? So this is one of those, I don't know what they're called. I have not seen one. It's like a tile card. Anyway. Colossus, number 6. I'll have a look at that one a bit later on. That's pretty groovy. I'm not sure what they're called, those ones. Alright, we got Loki. We've got 4. Oh, that's sick. 49, tier 5. Very cool. And we got Vision. Oh no, Air Vision, yep. And then we've got a Hercules solo flare, number 4. I won't leave them ones up. Oh, pack's a bit sticky. I wonder what that Colossus is called. I'll have to get up there and have a look and see what kind of card that is. I haven't seen any of them yet. God, slow pack to get in that one. Wowza. Rocket Raccoon. Oh, that's nice. Mystique. Got that Fenos. It's still a cool card. We have definitely a Hercules box. Hercules Chronicle Blast. God, I wish I'd come across a Venom box or a Hulk box. Or any other ones. That packet felt a bit strange, but it's not. We have a Rogue, a Black Cat, Giant Man. I'm pretty sure I got that Flareum as well. Solar Flare, a Vision. Not getting much of the sunshine here at the moment in Bathurst. Getting all the cold winter weather, so I've got to use a few more lights. Bright enough in our room. What do we get here? Human Torch. Captain America. Doctor Strange Flareum. 32. Number tier 6. And we have Kang. It's out of focus, is it? Down on there. Not sure what's going on there, it's not focusing. No. Chronicle Blast. Alright, next pack. Even this pack feels weird, but it's still a packet. Feels like there's one card in some of them all the time. And we have Better A Belt. Oh, Storm, that's nice. Oh, that's a nice card, look at that. Very cool Captain American Flareum there. 29. Flareums are very cool. And then we have another solo flare, which is of Doctor Strange. And we have, oh cool, Hobgoblin. What's our other Power Blast by the looks of it? Flareum, Spider-Man. Already have that bad boy. Who's our Power Blast? Oh, okay. Professor X. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. For the stuff in the background of it. Wolverine there, is it? Wow, that's cool. 24. Put a sleeve in that one straight away. Very nice Power Blast, that one. Probably the nicest one I've seen. Very cool. I know. We have 3 packs left of the first box. See if there's anything else floating around in this pack. Oh. That was something else then. Ah. And we have Moon Knight. Oh, Iron Man. That's cool. 46. Another tier 5 by the looks of it. Still pretty groovy. And we have, oh, okay, Galactus. And we have a Better Ray Bill. Alkali Ether. Oh, cool. Number 3. I do believe that's the first one of those I've gotten. Funny, very funny shape, very bendy. Cool. Very cool. Throw him up there. Oh, 2 packs. Oh no. God, I didn't think about it. I probably won't have much room for the next box. I'll have to make some room. Oh, look at that card. Oh, cool. Very nice Wolverine. What number is he? Oh, that's number 1. Okay. Oh, double Wolverine. And then a Wolverine Flareum. And then we have another Solar Flare. This time Neymar. S15. Oh, last pack. Black Winter. Squirrel Girl. Jean Grey. 27. I think I've got that one already too. Who we got here? It is Electro. Very cool. Alright guys, that's box 1. Moving on to box 2 now. I'll take those down. And I'll do a recap at the end of the break. And I'll just put it there for new hits. Right. Next box. Cool. Good luck to us all, eh? See if we can pull something mega out of one of these bad boys. Break the seal. Let's have them. Something massive. Yeah. I'll just pull them out too. 1, 2. I might actually mix them up a little bit so I don't get all tops on bottom, bottom on tops, and all the hits are onto the top, because sometimes I get a bit funny about that. I reckon sometimes all the tops just come straight out. But, let's go. And the base over here, flares across, solving exams, right. So first pack. I was gonna say that feels thick too. Just tricky packets, I reckon, these ones. Confusing me. I know. We have Odin. We have an upside down Spider-Man. Okay, I'll turn it around this way. Oh, Silver Surfer. God, that's a cool card. Look at that. 14. Definitely don't have that one. And we have a Solar Flare of the Wasp. 20. Very cool. Alright. Surely this pack's got something different in it, because it feels... No. Wow. Just feels so different. Some feel so... Oh, look at that. Ghost Rider card. That's cool. Haven't got that base. Or Scarlet Witch. I don't think I've a Flareum either. What's that one? Half 4. Got a high Flareum. And we have a... Beast. Chronicle Blast. Ah, there you go. Right, we got Professor X. Got a Power Blast by the looks of it. We have the Thing. Oh, that's cool. 24. Flareum. A Power Blast of. What we got here? Ronin. Power Blast. God, they're groovy. 27. Do like the Power Blasts in all the Flair sets. They're pretty nice cards. It'd be interesting to see actually what EPAC bring out. If they bring out like another set of Power Blasts or another set of, like, there's always different sets when it comes to EPAC, but you know, we'll see what happens. What we got here? We have 4. Oh, God, what's going on there? We have Daredevil. Oh, that'd have to be a tier 6. It is a tier 6. I'm definitely putting a sleeve straight on that. Tier 6 Flareum Daredevil. Cool. Look at that. That is cool. Alright. And what do we have here? Ooh, Winter Soldier. Purple out of the Spring Flair. Oh, cool. That is cool as too. Look at that. Wowza. 2 big hits in one pack there. Number 79 of 99. Winter Soldier. Spring Flair. There you go. Very cool. Cool. And then we've got a base of Sam Wilson. Okay. 1 Power Blast, 1 tier 6 Flareum, and then a Spring Flair Winter Soldier out of 100. Cool. Purple. What do we got here? We have Black Panther. And we got 4. It's 22. Flareum and Neymar. And we have, oh, cool. Look at that Power Blast. Cyclops. That is cool too. Power Blast number 7. Slide him in there. And bang. Crikey. 4 good hits already. Jinkies. All nice looking cards sitting up there too. Look pretty good. What else has this box got for us? Mighty 4. So we've got a Solar Flare. So hard not to try and reveal what that card is. So we've got that Cap again. Just got him. Solar Flare of Cyclops. We've got Iceman base there as well. Just look. Well, he's 23. Very cool. I don't know. I couldn't believe they put that tier 6 in with the numbered break too. Crikey. But we got another one of those packed ones, so I'm just going to go straight from the back here. We got Captain America, number 19 Flareum. And it is, oh, yes. We have Nova in the base, but we have a Wolverine, whatever these tiled cards are. I don't know what they're called, these ones. I'll have to get up and have a look. 24. Wow. Very cool. Awesome card. Wolverine. That'd have to be a high number, I could imagine. Cool. And Kiduk. And we have Captain Marvel. Fantastic Four. Flairium. And we have Mole Man. Cortical Blast. Alright guys, 4 packs left of this 2-box break. I'll do a recap after we finish doing this, just to show the previous hits and these hits. Oh, that's cool. We have a Bullseye, Magneto, a 449. Should we just seen that one come a minute ago? And oh, we have Medusa Solar Flare, number 11. Breaking a box goes so quick. Most enjoyable time, but it's a very short time. Alright. We have Pastos, Iron Fist. Oh, we got that bloody Iron Man Flairium. 46 again. Bit of roller damage right across that one, though. Line straight through the middle of it. It's a bit disappointing. And we have 4 Chronicle Blasts. 4. 2 packs left. The fun time is almost over. Have we got anything amazing sitting around in these last 2 packs? We have Sabretooth. Now that is a nice looking card. Cool. Then we have Captain America. Got a high variant. So we've got another Solar Flare. We have got that cool cards. Acarius. Nice. Reprieve. Last pack. Oh, Thanos at the front. Very cool. And we have Doctor Strange Flairium, number 32.
Have a look at these pictures.
And oh, okay, we have Wolverine Afric Ether, number 34. God, that'd have to be high. Wow, that is a cool looking card. A Wolverine box, that one. Very nice. But then every single hit was nearly the same as the last box. Same cards, anyhow. Very cool. Very nice. So I'll quickly do a quick recap of the hits from the 2 boxes. So, and then I've got the joys of putting these all in my binders. We have a Wolverine. I still don't know what they're called yet, those ones. Like a tile card. And we have a Wolverine Alaric Ether. Very cool. We have a Winter Soldier Spring Flare, numbered from 71 to 99. They could have given me that as a Wolverine. We have a Daredevil Tier 6 Flairium. Then we have our Power Blast, which is Ronin and Cyclops Power Blast. And then from the first box, we have Hercules 81 from 199 Winter Flare. Then we have Iron Fist Power Blast. And then we've got Colossus, one of those tile cards as well. And then we have Professor X. Well, that's just a mean-ass Power Blast, that one. And a Bitteray Bill Alaric Ether. Hard to pronounce that one. Hey guys, there's the hits from 2 boxes. I have 2 left, so I don't know if I'll do a double boxer or a single boxers for the last 2, but thanks for joining Kano's Breaks. If you're new, like, subscribe, jump, I'll get some content as fast as I can when I can. But I've still got 2 boxes to go, so you might as well like and subscribe and wait for them 2 to come anyway. So I'll either do a double break or a single break, but I'll let you know. All right? Thanks for joining Kano's Breaks. Good hunting on your cards, guys. Catch you around.